Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to explore Earth-sized rogue planet found floating in the Milky Way. Scientists have discovered in the Milky Way an Earth-sized free-floating rogue planet which does not orbit any star. Rogue planets are a bit uncommon, as although many of the known exoplanets discovered so far do not resemble those in our solar system, they have one thing in common: they all orbit a star. However, the newly detected planet, detailed in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, is the smallest rogue world ever found, according to the scientists. Our discovery demonstrates that low-mass free-floating planets can be detected and characterized using ground-based telescopes, said study co-author Andrzej Udalski, professor at University of Warsaw in Poland. Exoplanets can be only rarely detectedly observed. Usually, astronomers find planets using observation of the light from the planet's host star. Before the next topic, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notification of my new videos. For example, if a planet crosses in front of its planet star's disk, then the observed brightness of the star periodically drops by a small amount, causing so-called transits. Astronomers can also measure the motion of the star caused by the planet. Free-floating planets emit virtual no radiation, and by definition, they do not orbit any hot star, so they cannot be discovered using traditional methods of astrophysical detection. Nevertheless, rogue planets can be spotted using an astronomical phenomenon called gravitational microlensing. Microlensing results from Einstein's theory of general relativity. A massive object may bend the light of a bright background object. The lens's gravity acts as a huge magnifying glass which bends and magnifies the light of distant stars. Modern surveys hunting for gravitational microlensing events are monitoring hundreds of millions of stars in the Milky Way center, where the chances of microlensing are highest. Led by Warsaw University astronomers, the OGLE survey carries out one of such experiments. OGLE is one of the largest and longest sky survey. It started operation over 28 years ago. Using this method, the scientists announced the discovery of the shortest timescale microlensing event ever found, called OGLE 2016 BLJ 1928. When we first spotted this event, it was clear that it must have been caused by an extremely tiny object, said co-author of the study, Radoslaw Poleski from the Astronomical Observatory of the University of Warsaw. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell and share this video with your friends and relatives.